Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 tips and tricks to elevate your style or change it up a little bit without even spending any money. I do a lot of different videos on this channel. Some are hauls, some are outfits of the week, and then some are kind of like styling tips and tricks. I've done a lot about capsule wardrobes recently, how to build one, what my fall one is, finding your personal style after 30, so on and so forth. And I've really enjoyed them, and I feel even more like just this spark of trying to change and kind of manipulate my own clothes into feeling like they're new and fresh and exciting. I wanted to share my 5 things that I do to kind of change up or elevate a very simple outfit, and maybe this will help you. All right, so let's go ahead and start with tip number 1, which is focus on 3 colors in your outfit. Now, I've heard this go around before and I never really subscribed to it. I was kind of just like, well, I don't know. And I know monochromatic, all black, so cute, all white, so cute. But if you're not doing a monochromatic look, try adding 3 different colors to your outfit. I swear it will change the game. Now, it doesn't have to be any like craziness. It can be a different color shirt, bottoms, and shoes. Or if you have a white top with white shoes, you can throw over a different colored sweater, add a blazer, add a jacket. It can be so simple, but just really focusing on 3 different colors in your outfit, I feel like made such a big difference to my outfit, like elevating it and changing it up a little bit. You're able to take the most basic, simple outfit and just enhance it a little bit more by adding a pop of color or a color that complements what you're already wearing. And I just feel in general, having 3 colors in your outfit just makes it. Try it, see what you think about it. I don't know. I at first was like, no, I don't believe that. And then I started really paying attention to how many colors I wear in an outfit, and it's around 3. So that's my first rule. Focus on at least 3 colors in your outfit. It'll give that outfit some dimension, some interest, and you may find that you like pairing different things together that you would have no idea otherwise. Tip number 2 is accessorize. The power of a pair of sunglasses, a lip color, a belt is just insane. Jewelry can completely change the way the outfit looks. I am reminded of this all the time. I have a very basic classic style, but if I want more of like an edgy, fun, sort of like feisty outfit, change it up with a pair of sunglasses. Now, you might need to actually go buy some sunglasses, but they're a super affordable way to kind of enhance what you already have. They're a fun way to add a trend, to add just some interest to your outfit. So I absolutely love adding sunglasses. Belts are coming back huge. I feel like belts have always kind of been around, but they kind of fell off a little bit and they're coming back. I'm all for it. I feel like a belt just enhances the waistline, can add so much more to your outfit. You can go really affordable, really skinny, or you can go like a more expensive belt, chunky. There's so many different really cool belts. So add a belt, add a hat. A hat is an easy way to accessorize as well. You can take what would seem like kind of a fancy outfit, throw a baseball cap on it, and it's just that right amount of sophisticated, and she's put together, but she's also super casual. Looks like you just threw it together. When you throw on a baseball cap, I swear, with just about any outfit, it's like a throw and go outfit, and I love it. The other accessory, you guys know I'm obsessed with the sweater over the shoulder. It's my go-to. It's such an easy way to elevate an outfit. It's such an easy way to just throw that 3rd color into your outfit, and I'm obsessed with it. Obviously, jewelry is another really fun way to kind of enhance a very plain outfit. It can be such simple, classic jewelry, but just pairing it together with a very standard, basic outfit can just show that you put that little extra bit into your outfit. All right, tip number 3 is to play around with lip color. I have never been a lip color girl, but recently I've sparked my love for it again, and I felt when I would put lipstick on kind of like imposter syndrome. I was like, I don't wear lipstick, I'm not grown. And then I started to realize, girl, you are grown. You can wear lipstick if you want to wear lipstick. So I have had so much fun playing around with lip color. I think the go-to, and most people think, to change up the look of your outfit is to throw on a red lip. I love a good red lip, but I also love finding a color that really complements your skin tone. Sephora has this really cool like color IQ thing for lipsticks, finding the best lipstick shade for you. So if you haven't tried that, try it out. I love a good orange, like a blood orange red. So I have one from Giorgio Armani that I'm obsessed with. I love a good pink. So play around with lip color. It can completely change the look of an outfit and just amplify it up from a day to a night look. For just any sort of occasion, it can completely change the look of an outfit and just give it that little bit of extra. And I know technically it's not considered your outfit, but I do feel like a good lip color really does go with your outfit and complement it in the right way. Okay, tip number 4, and my absolute favorite tip, is to play around with how you wear your clothes. AKA play around with how you tuck things, how you cuff things, how you button things. You guys know I'm a sucker for button ups. You can open the chest up to show off a little bit more for a sexier date night look. You can kind of add some interest to the waist by tucking it in differently, changing the lengths of the sleeves, rolling them completely up, keeping them down, buttoning the shirt all the way up. There's just so many different ways that you can play with kind of tucking. You can tuck your jeans to give the shoes more of a spotlight instead of just the rest of your outfit. You can cuff up blazers. There are just so many ways that you can take what seems like an outfit that you've worn a million times and simply just change how you button, tuck, cuff, all of it, and you're going to be so surprised on how different the outfit looks. So grab a button up, play around with how you like to button it, style it, whatnot, or whatever is your favorite item. Button ups are my absolute favorite item. If blazers are your favorite item, you can, again, play around with buttoning, play around with tucking, play around with what's layered underneath it, play around with how you roll up the sleeves. So many cool ways that you can change up an outfit completely just by changing how you're wearing it. Buttons, cuffs, and tucks. Tucks are probably my favorite and the biggest change for me. I know that you can do just that French tuck, that front tuck thing, all the way around. If you have a pair of jeans that really cinches you in at the waist, try tucking the shirt completely in. You're going to be so surprised at how tiny your waist looks, especially if you kind of poof the shirt out a little bit where it meets your pants. You're going to just see how cinched in your waist looks, how completely different the style looks. I absolutely love that look. Or just try for a more casual look, completely undone, maybe one side of it tucked in, whatnot. Play around with tucks. They're so much fun, and they completely change the way your outfit looks. All right, and tip number 5 is a fun one, and one that I kind of push myself every once in a while to really try out. It's pairing unexpected things together. AKA, my favorite way to do it is with a graphic tee and a blazer. A blazer is a more classic, timeless piece. A graphic tee is kind of trendy, fun, kind of gives you shows like your personality a little bit more. So I love that. Pairing feminine silks with denim and ripped denim is a fun way to do it. I don't say that those that pair the unexpected is like my everyday look, but it is a fun way to kind of elevate a look in terms of wearing out to date nights, girls' day, all those kind of things. A fun way to kind of push yourself out of your comfort zone and pair things that typically go together, like a silk blouse and trousers with sneakers, silk blouse, and ripped jeans. It's a really fun way to just take what you already have and kind of mix and match and create a different style that you may really like, and keeping that in your arsenal for when different things come up that you're like, I don't know what I want to wear. Try doing a feminine with trendy or masculine sort of look. So those are my 5 tips and tricks to kind of elevate or change up your style if you are kind of in a style rut, or if you're really adopting that intentional buying and you're sticking with that capsule wardrobe and you're like, okay, cool, but like what else? How else can I kind of change things up? I thought this video would be fun and helpful. If it was, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below what other sort of styling tips and tricks videos like this sit down that you would like to see. I really enjoy doing them, and I find them super fun and super helpful, and they're tips and tricks that I already use in my everyday life. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see y'all in my next video.